Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can activate the double tap to turn off the screen feature on Android phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, first of all, we can go to our settings application on our phone, and we have to go to the advanced features. Click on this advanced features, and we're gonna click on motions and gestures. Okay, and here we can activate the double tap to turn off the screen. We just need to click on this toggle button to activate it. And here you can also enable the double tap to turn on the screen. And I'm just going to enable it as well. And right after you activate this feature, you don't need to press your your power button to turn off your screen. You just need to double tap on your screen to turn off your screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can enable the double tap to turn off the screen on Android phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.